Hi, I'm Chris McGinnis with Finding Country French Riviera in Provence, and today we're in downtown Cannes in a place that's known as La Banane, which is the centralmost area of Cannes, and it's a place that's highly sought after for secondary residences and investment properties. We're about to tour a very spacious 3-bedroom apartment with an enormous 75 square meter terrace. This apartment has been entirely refit and revamped with spacious bedrooms, each with their own ensuite toilet and shower, as well as dressing areas, and 2 of the 3 even have their own access onto the 75 square meter terrace. The interior of the apartment is 130 square meters. You can see behind me some of the amazing renovation that's been done here. We've even got a separate laundry room, which is quite rare, actually, for a downtown apartment in Cannes. Furthermore, there's a garage, a private parking space, as well as an underground storage unit. So if you'll join us, we're going to go look at this apartment in great detail and check out every nook and cranny. The 75 square meter terrace, as we're touring today, is empty. However, it's the perfect configuration to have outdoor living and dining, as well as 2 separate spaces for the bedroom units to each have their own private terrace area. Please let us know what questions you might have, if you'd like to see anything in further detail, and when would suit you best to organize your own private touring in person. I'm Chris McGinnis, and thanks for joining us here in Cannes.